If you're an NRI and you figured out your US tax residency, the very next question is, which of my income is actually taxable in the US? Is it only US salary, income from India too? What about FD interest, rent, mutual funds, or capital gains? In this video, I'll clearly explain what income NRIs must report in the US, how it depends on your residency status, and where most people get it wrong. One golden rule, resident versus non-resident. Let's start with one golden rule. US tax treatment depends entirely on whether you are a tax resident or a non-resident. Tax resident, taxed on worldwide income. Non-resident alien NRA, taxed mainly on US source income only. This one distinction changes everything. Income taxable for non-resident alien. Let's first talk about NRIs who are non-resident aliens. If you are a non-resident alien, the US generally taxes you on US source income such as salary earned for work physically done in the US, US bank interest in some cases, US dividends, US rental income, capital gains from US property. Foreign income like income earned in India is usually not taxable for non-residents. This surprises many people. Income taxable for NRIs who are tax resident. Now comes the big shift. If you are a US tax resident, the IRS expects you to report your worldwide income. That includes income from the US, India, any other country, yes, even income that never came to the US. This does not mean everything is taxed twice, but it must be reported. Common Indian income types and US tax treatment. Let's look at common Indian income for NRI tax residents. Salary from India, salary, bonus, perks, taxable in the US. May qualify for foreign tax credit, Form 1116, or foreign earned income exclusion, Form 2555. Interest income from India. Interest from savings account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, NRE or NRO account is fully taxable in the US, even if it's tax-free or low tax in India. Rental income from India. Gross rent received reported in the US, deductible expenses allowed. Depreciation must follow US rules. Capital gains on sale of real estate, shares, mutual funds, gold, taxable in the US. US rules apply, not Indian holding periods. This is where planning becomes important. Dividend income, dividend from Indian companies, mutual funds taxable in US, usually taxed as ordinary income unless qualifying for US preferential rates. Special attention, Indian mutual funds are usually treated as PFICs, passive foreign investment companies, under US tax rules. PFIC taxation is complex, often unfavorable, requires Form 8621. This is one of the biggest tax traps for Indian investors who become US tax residents. At this point, many NRIs say, "But I already paid tax in India. Will I be taxed again in the US?" Good news, the US does not want to tax you twice unfairly. That's where DTAA, Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, foreign tax credit come into play. You often get credit for tax paid in India, but only if income is reported correctly. Income that is commonly misunderstood. Some income types cause confusion. NRE account interest, tax-free in India, still taxable in the US if you're a tax resident. Money gifted by parents in India, generally not taxable income, but reporting Form 3520 may still apply if value exceeds $100,000 in a year. PF withdrawals or retirement income. Tax treatment of such withdrawals depends on structure and tax treaty rules, and when you became tax resident, whether employer contributions were previously taxed in the US, whether income growth was reported annually. This is why tax-free in India does not automatically mean tax-free in the US. Let's summarize simply. If you are a US tax resident, Report all global income. Claim relief through credits or exclusions. If you are a US non-resident, report mainly US source income. Indian income usually stays outside US tax. Residency decides what you report. DTAA decides how much tax you pay. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how NRIs avoid double taxation using DTAA and foreign tax credit. If this video clarified things, like, subscribe, and share it with another confused NRI. See you in the next one.